not about the quantity, but the quality, right?
Okay, yeah. They can go to Shangri-La Plaza, 4th level, Shangri-La Plaza. In front of Mother Care, we have a small toy kiosk there, and they can browse through the toys.
And the website?
The website is www.babysmiths.multiply.com.
Baby Smiths. Wait lang, bago kayo pakawalan, why Baby Smiths? Is this an American child? What
No, Smiths, parang molding the child.
Smiths, that's the meaning of Smith?
Oo, parang blacksmith, parang
It's like an American brand, right? Baby Smith.
Yeah, it sounds American.
So parang we're molding the child by giving them thoughtfully designed toys and personal care products with natural ingredients, because in that website we also sell other natural baby products like soaps, personal care items.
Right, oh my God. It's very, very good. However, Lakers, 79, Boston, 76. 25 seconds remaining, ladies and gentlemen. I can't concentrate on the show, direct. You're flashing the score. Gosh, sir, napanalo ka na? Not yet, not yet. But where do they get in touch with you, sir?
Well, they can visit, of course, the subdivision, which is not that far from Manila. It's 45 minutes at the moment, and it will take less in a few years' time when the motorway will be built. And it's in Pila, Laguna. It's just after Los Baños. So if they go to Calirayan, they can stop by.
I've been there.
It's a very nice area. It's always cool. And the food is very good.
Yeah. Any website?
Yeah, it's www.fielddomus, is PHILD, Domus, Domus is OMUS.com, fielddomus.com.
Domus means?
Domus is Latin for houses, and Field is Philippines.
So Philippine houses, fielddomus.com.
Yeah, and they can visit, it's like a small vegan. It's full of houses, all local houses.
Right.
And it's very, very nice. People should visit.
If it's being as like Italian community, you're building there.
Yeah. I studied in Italy, so I have Italian flair in it a little bit. And it's my friend and partners in Italian architecture, very well known.
Right.
And we're trying to make the Italian feeling and everything.
Italian feeling in the Philippines.
Yeah. You can check the website and the photos. It's quite nice.
Okay. Now, Ma'am Sir, before I let you go, we're going to have the game of the week. So, direct, ready na ba tayo sa game natin? yung timer natin. Ba't kanya pa na score? Walang nababago sa score. Kila na? Okay. Aba na? Tie? 79-79? What's that? 81 in favor of Lakers. 81.
Still 25.
79. So, siguro abot pa tayo sa mga huling segundo ng ating show. But we're going to have our game for the week. So our game for the week is, what's that? Counting shape sorter. So you will be timed. Each of you will be putting these shapes in here. So let's see, between the real estate guy as against the owner, let's see who will be the faster. Okay, so sir, you do the honor. So time starts now. Woo! Yeah. How old are you, sir?
50.
Doing that? How do you feel?
Very good, actually. I never did it in my life.
Okay, and time. Ilan? 18 seconds. 18 seconds para kay sir. Medyo na gano'n kayo doon. Medyo
Can you do it?
Okay, so ilalagay natin ngayon. Tingnan natin kung paano natin gagawin ito, madam.
I got an idea from you.
Okay. That's how you want it to go second. Alright, let's start. Time's on. Good pressure. You should master it. Okay, and that? Ilan? 1-5. Okay. So, our mompreneur just won. So, you better luck next time.
Next time.
I'm sure you're always better building houses rather than these toys. Thank you so much, Miss Sherry and Mr. Bronzo.
Thank you,
Thank
Lloyd.
you
Thank you.
very
Lloyd.
much. Thank you.
Our guest here. Alright, so before I do my editorial, Boston, 89. Oh, ilan? 79. Lakers, 81. So 2 points. 11 seconds remaining. My goodness, what's happening? Okay. Let's finish this program. New ideas, vision, push. These are just a few things you need to have if you're an aspiring entrepreneur. The world may have gone old, but these 3 things are still the same requirements on business success. It's not always okay to join the rush and do whatever is there that you can see. Should you want to succeed, you will have to initiate the rush. Got the idea of wooden toys? I think it's interesting. Foreigners invest in the Philippines. Have you ever thought why they love this country? Perhaps we have something. Business people always work within what they call calculated risk. Therefore, the Philippines, if their calculation is right, is still one best place to invest their money on. But let's make an important point here. Business people like Hugo sees something that most of us either don't see or refuse to see. It's called vision. Vision is something that you picture out in your mind. When you go around and share this, 8 out of 10 people might probably say you're crazy. Well, in fact, you are indeed crazy. Entrepreneurs are crazy. Maybe that's why they eventually walk out with the money. What is your new idea? What is your vision? What is that something that pushes you to act? I think that's it for today's edition of the Philippines' most dynamic business talk show. I would like to thank Bobson for my jeans, Epsilon Palanan for my hair, and Burger Sus for my suit. I don't know who is winning now. Who is leading now? It's still Boston? LA? Lakers? Boston, 79. Lakers, 83. Whew, our ideology for the week. What about the ideology? Tell me who your friends are, and I will tell you mine. Join us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter at Lloyd Luna. Watch our past episodes at creativebusinesstv.com. What's our episode for next week? It's about what? I still don't know. But we will know about that next Friday when Creative Business returns. I'm your business evangelist and host, Lloyd Luna. Thanks for staying with us. Lakers, congratulations. I think we are the champions. Thanks for watching GNN. Thank you.
Thanks.